Question 5. You are told you are given a table, then you are told to indicate the level of production associated with each of the occupations. So you have mining. Mining falls under which level of production? So mining is a primary level of production. Then you have oil refining. Oil refining is a secondary level of production. Then you have insurance. Insurance is a tertiary level of production. Teaching is a tertiary level of production. Question 6. You are told, what are the advantages of personal selling as a method of sales promotion? What are the advantages of personal selling as a method of sales promotion? Personal selling. What is personal selling? Personal selling simply means you are selling your own product. Simply means you sell your own product. And there are some advantages which are associated with personal selling. So the first advantage of personal selling is it creates good relationship between customers and seller. Creates good relationship between customers and seller. The next one, the seller has a chance to explain finer details of the product. If you are selling your own product, you have a chance to explain the finer details of that particular product you are owning or you are selling. The next one, the seller can collect information regarding the demand of the product. If you are selling your own product, you will get or you will collect the information from the buyers regarding the demand of the product. The next one, seller can persuade the customer to buy the product. If you are selling your own product, you can persuade, you can beg the buyers to buy your product. The next one, the seller has the full knowledge of the product. If you are selling your own product, you have the full knowledge of that particular product you are selling. Another one, and the very last one, you have the capability of targeting a specific group. If you are selling your own product, remember this product was designed for a particular group or a specific group, or you have a specific customer, or you are targeting a specific group of people or buyers to buy your product. So there is a capability of targeting a specific group in personal selling. That was question 6, 2006. In question 7, we are going to draw something on the diagram, but it is unfortunate that I will not be able to draw that, but we will do it in practical classes where I will be doing them live as we sing. But for now, just bear with me. We'll be looking theory mostly. Let's move to question 8. Question 8, you are told to give 4 assumptions that are associated with perfect competitor. 4 assumptions are associated with perfect competition. So perfect competition. So what are the features of perfect competition? Of late, you have heard people complaining of the prices of refilling a gas simply because we have one supplier of a gas. Now, in perfect competition, we'll be having a variety. So what are these features or assumptions associated with perfect competition? So the very first one is uniformity of buyers and sellers. Uniformity of buyers and sellers. There is no discrimination of where to buy or where to sell. The next one, there is free entry and exit from the industry. There is free entry and exit from the industry. You have heard they want to introduce Taifa gas. So there is a free entry and exit in the industry. The next one, there is no government interference. There is no government interference in perfect competition. Then we have production of identical products by different firms. Production of identical products by different firms. For example, we have diapers. These diapers, they are of the same. We have soft care, we have guppies, you have cool babies, but they are produced by a different firm, but the function they are designed for is simply one. So production of identical products by different firms is assumption in perfect competition. The next one is there are large number of sellers and buyers in the market. There are large number of sellers and buyers in the market. So you can't force somebody or someone to buy a specific product. It is just the same if you have a gas, somebody has a K gas, somebody has a Diff Pro gas. So some people will buy Taifa gas. So there are a large number of buyers and sellers in the market. So that is question 8. Question 9. Question 9. You are told to list 4 types of unemployment, 4 types of unemployment in an economy and give the cause for each. So what are the types of unemployment? What are the types of unemployment? So the first one, which is supposed to be common to everybody, is involuntary unemployment. Wanting jobs at prevailing wages and you cannot get them. involuntarily unemployment. This is where you don't have a job, but if you get a job, you need it at a prevailing wage, or you want a particular job with a particular salary. So that is now involuntary unemployment. The next one is seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment, there are seasons where we have high demand of labor. There are seasons where we don't need labor. So those are seasonal unemployment. You get a contract of 3 months. After that, you are being told we'll hire you again in the next 3 months. So those are seasonal unemployment. Then we have structural unemployment. Structural unemployment. These are due to technological unemployment, structural unemployment. Then we have cyclical unemployment. Cyclical unemployment. Cyclical unemployment. These are due to relatively low general demand for goods and services. Cyclical unemployment, they are due to relatively low general demand for goods and services. For goods and services. Those are the types of unemployment we have as per the question. Question 10. You are told what benefits may accrue to a manufacturing firm that uses modern technology. So what are the advantages or benefits of modern technology to manufacturing firm? What are the advantages of modern technology to manufacturing firms? Of course, we are going to have some disadvantages of modern technology. But now, in this particular question, you are told to give the benefits of modern technology to a manufacturer. So the very first one is increased level of output. As you know, machines or modern technology, their production level is above the normal one of a human being. So we are going to have an increased level of output. Increased level of output. The next one, we are going to save time on production. So we are going to save time on production. Saving on production time. So that is another advantage or benefit. As you know, human beings are prone to waste. So when using machine, we are going to reduce the level of production waste. So we say the next advantage or benefit of that, lower production of waste. Lower production of waste. Lower production of waste. Then we are going to have another one which is a self-explanatory, is better quality goods. Better quality goods. Better quality goods. Then the service delivery is going to be high, so there is going to be an improvement of service delivery. So improvement of service delivery. Then you can also have standardization of products. Standardization of products. Standardization of products. So that is the end of question 10. So from question 5 to question 10 is done. I don't want to keep these videos long. That's why I'm doing them in bits of 5 so that you understand and get it easier to listen to what I said. So that is 2006. The questions are very clear, answers are very straightforward. Kindly feel free to share, subscribe and like. This is Teacher Victor, a graduate from ZTech University. Thank you.